appreciate it. ARS Tone. What's up with it, Sam?
Where you at?
Right here. That's what I forgot to get up out the car. I left my glove. Smoking at the end. He won.
Out there. Fucking exhaust.
Yeah. That old temp trying to drop y'all. Let me make sure I got my ears ready. Anyway, look out, we at the Hood Track, man. They on, wait a man. We on the street car shootout. Look out. What's up with it, John? Tell him, man, we up here at the Hood Track Madness. Not part 5. Got Big John in the building. Spectating for the one time.
I want you to practice on your Spanish again.
Yeah, how you say? Oh, let me get all my Mexicans ready.
No, dame la bolsita.
Dame valosito. What else? Suscríbete. Suscríbete.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
out racing.
Hit the like button.
And dale me gusta. Dale me gusta, wey. Dale, wey. Dale.
Right.
What else? Fajitas. ¿Qué vamos a comer? Fajita taco.
Yeah.
Corn tortilla. And that's it.
Good enough.
Dale, wey. Me gusta. What's up with it, man?
Okay, yo no te voy
Mira, güey, yo no lo he mirado.
That's my boy right here, y'all. ¿Qué pasa?
Ojo las que están las dos bandas ahí.
He put one of my other boy right here too. Oh, they all congregating and shit. Wait a minute. Alright, wait. Come on, man. Me too. Give me one of them bad motherfuckers. Come on, man. Give me a hug too. Ah, la chingada.
Look out. They coming.
They coming? Let me go see. Oh, they heating that bottle up. You getting it ready? What you like your bottle temperature at, 1,000 or 900 like they say?
Not 1,000.
Not 1,000, okay, that's all we needed to know. Not 1,000, y'all. Don't be putting y'all stuff at 1,000. That ain't Steph Cotoon. Oh shit. What you betting on?
I got ICT.
How much? I want to bet too. I got ICT. How much? He betting 2,000?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit his ass.
He gonna call it out.
He gonna call it out.
He gonna call. Low, he got 2,000 on it.
Bro, the driver.
He got 2,000 on it.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Who's driving, bro?
It gonna make a full pass right here?
No.
Okay, let's go see, y'all. Okay, let's see what he got, y'all.
Look at him.
Look out, look out. Get all in the mix.
Look out.
Look out, look out.
I think I'm gonna take moonshine.
Moonshine.
Man,
What you call it talking about ICT Billy?
Oh my God, my big toe. My big toe. I was one toe to get shot. I was holding my big toe down. Well, how about you? No. That's on the whole principle. Oh, the whole principle. They stay on it.
Bang the light.
Blackjack called a bet off, and then that mess dude said, Quinn, he started looking at you. Come get on video.
I didn't even see his ass. They got off, they bet on, they made a $2,000 bet and got off the bet. They made a $2,000 bet and then they did it on camera. And then when I left, I said, man, yeah, he ain't finna do nothing but get out of it. I pointed at the one dude. He said, who? They both pointed at each other. And then when I walked off, one of them said, bet off, fool. And then the other said, hey, please, look out, come get him on camera. But I was already gone.
They gonna be some good. This shit clean.
That mug ain't that clean.
I like
It just need a paint job,
I like
though,
the body
really.
of it.
Yeah, it do got a good body. It do got a good body. My boo, they said it's Bucana's time. My boys ain't brought the Bucanas today, y'all. I'm ready.